today we're going to be taking our 35mm batten and we're going to connect that into a piece of masonry block. That could be masonry brick or concrete, using a Torx 30 drive concrete screw. That's full thread, 7.5mm diameter and 92mm length. That's giving us plenty of length through the timber with a full threaded screw into the masonry. To start, we have to pre-drill our 6mm, 5.5, 6mm hole. Now we are going to pre-drill through the masonry with a 5.5 to 6mm drill bit. And now we will connect the concrete screw through the timber and through the masonry using an impact gun.